So you see, when one gone, one next one born. Guys, Tia just qualified for the finals. Good morning, good morning, good morning, guys. So this morning I am about to actually do some oh gosh, did I do that? Alright, so this morning I have some cleaning to do. So I'm going to tidy the kitchen. I have underneath the kitchen cupboard to clean up because under there is a mess. Under there I have whole heap of bottle when we use and just leave under there, and the water from the kitchen sink and so sometimes drain under there. So me have under there so to clean up as well, and then the stove. But in the meantime as well I am watching Olympics. So yeah, Olympics are going. We have the likes of Shelly, Sasha Lee Forbes and Tia Clayton. Yeah, and we have field events today with Shaniki Ricketts and Virginia Campbell. Yeah, I believe Virginia Campbell will do good. Yeah, me just believe Sema do good. Yeah, I believe Sema go get a medal. Yeah, I'm gonna think them of Virginia Campbell as one of the favorite them to get a medal, but yeah, I'm gonna get a medal. Shelly and Tia, I feel like Tia I go reach up in a top 3. Yeah, I feel so. Shelly was the one that did it in 2008, but watching Tia and how she go through her runs, especially with trial, if she do the same thing here at Olympics, girl, I go up on the podium. Sorry, I love Shakari too, you know, because Shakari show me say in life you have to learn to adjust yourself. The girl come out well up there and thing, and she humble herself, and that's it in life. We have to learn to adjust and humble herself. So she get humble now, and I like her. Sorry to say, but me I carry my Jamaican people. So Julian Alfred, Tia Clayton, Shelly. But I feel like Tia will get it over Shelly for some reason. But I just have a feeling there. In the interim, I don't know if I can video because I know say it are copyright and stuff, and I can't bother no copyright in that video here and thing. So I hope you guys enjoy this little vlog, and let's see where the Olympics go.
irreplaceable. And everybody knows I want you, but I've always been so invisible to you. But I'm just waiting on you to blow back the curtains. And I've been standing on the sideline, waiting till the time's right to make you mine. 'Cause ever since the first time you opened up my world, I just can't seem to close my eyes and sleep. I'm locked inside this daydream, don't need any saving. But I need you to wake me up. Imagination is chasing after innocent love, but I've been wasting so much time living on cloud nine. Am I the only one who dreamed this up? And I've been standing on these highlights, waiting till the time's right to make you mine. 'Cause ever since the first time you opened up my world, I just can't seem to close my eyes and sleep. I'm locked inside this daydream, don't need any saving. But I need you to wake me up. I fall asleep, I'm dreaming that you think of me. But if you're just too cool, I won't be your fool. Oh, when I fall asleep, I'm dreaming that you think of me. But if you're just too cool, I won't be your fool. Ever since the first time you opened up my world, I just can't seem to close my eyes and sleep. I'm locked inside this daydream, don't need any saving. But I need you to wake me up. Need you to wake me up. When I'm falling asleep, girl, won't you wake me up? I hope you're thinking of me. Oh, won't you wake me? Oh, won't you wake me up? You turn into the worst of me. Held on to every broken spot. I wish I never told you why I feel so close to us. Your hands still stained with colored dust. I'm shot from all your broken nights. Still wish I never told you why I feel one night. What is this? Is this?
Guys, voila, let me turn on my TV here. With all that is happening, yo, I am so excited. Like, Shelly step out, she now start the 100-meter race. Shakiri and Julian Alfred qualify. So in the quest we have Tia for go run now. Hopefully Tia can reach there. But you know Julian Alfred we still gonna bring one Caribbean queen. But the throw with Rojinja just threw a while ago in the shot put. It's like I was here screaming. Like, yeah. So let's see what's popping and yeah, let me go and see what go on.
Number one, Shakira Richardson.
It's a rough yarn about chicken feet.
is a 10-8 runner. So it seems like if this heat perhaps has more parity than the other heats, we expect a good time for them as well.
And at the moment from Heat 1, Sobora and Kambunji are still on the bubble in front for qualifying.
Come, girl. Come. Woo!
Off they go.
All right, Tia.
Get some.
Go, Tia. Yes.
Anita running well. Kate is forward.
Yes. All right. Guys, Tia just qualified for the finals. Boop, boop, boop. So guess what? Guess what? Guess what? One. Me say, guys, even if Tia no something there a final, me still happy because the girl do me proud. She just reached the final. That's that. Good.
22.15 his best. Campbell lets fly again. That's going to be a foul.
Woohoo! 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 All right, Rajinja. 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 Yes.
The third position.
Rajinja.
Surely change.
Yep.
But this man
Yep.
can still
Boop, boop, boop.
silver medal position.
Bop. Yeah, we sure the bronze. One for the silver.
Lefty.
One for the
Final effort. That's gone.
boop. Me say Rajinja first Caribbean athlete to win an Olympic medal. Still bronze. Yes. Thank you, Rajinja. Thank you. So you see, when one gone, one next one born because Rajinja weren't predicted for a medal. Not at all. Yeah. Me say me glad back there, boss. The Olympics are going good. It are going good. Wow, so we got our medal so far, which is Rajinja Campbell. Me turn on this look. Lord, I'm glad me get my day off today. Cause imagine me and people in store. Oh! Yeah, they actually set up the TV at work and yeah, they are in tune. So, what you see? What kind of shirt I have on? Bahamas. Well, it's still Caribbean. So guys, Jamaica didn't get a medal, but that's that. And it's our first Olympic final. Big up Tia. We'll see you next time around. Great job. Guys, even though Jamaica no win the medal, like water down my eye because of St. Lucia, Julian Alfred. The fact that she win, she rep the Caribbean, and the first St. Lucian to win an Olympic medal in a 100 meter. Yeah, I'm proud of her and I'm glad she took it. I'm glad, even though my Jamaican girl never get it. Wow, the flag bearer is a silver medalist. Yay. Alright, so day 2 of the track and field events has ended, so we're going to look out for day 3 tomorrow. But in the interim, oh yes, so Jamaica get 2 medals so far, a silver and a bronze. But what I'm here to show you is some stuff that I got from Shein. So my friends hooked me up on a thing that if you go on Shein for the first time, you can get Alright, so my friend hooked me up on a thing for the first time that if you go on Shein for the first time, you can get free gifts. So you pay for one item and you get like 3 free or 4 free. So I try it and it works. So this is one of the package them, and I have one more when I not collect yet. So when I collect that one, I'll show you. But I just decided I want to show you what I got here. Alright, so I just open up the bag and ooh, this is one of the items that I had selected. It's a drone, so I really wanted to get a drone to practice with. So this one is for $24 originally. It's a free gift, so at least I can practice with this one. I got this speaker box. It's a portable speaker box. I'll test it for you soon. Ooh, this open up, and I got this mini mini Android box. Hold on, they drop out of the box. Oh, wait there. It's a mini Android box, see it here? So you guys don't use Android box to watch my movie and my cable channels. So this one is a mini one. Let me see if I can show you how tiny it is. So see it here, it's very tiny compared to the ones that I have here. So I have these two here. This is one I'm currently using. This is a new one that I'm setting up, and this is another one. So actually I do sell them as well. I do program them and sell them. So I'm setting up this one for someone, and this one I get as well. One of them I'm going to carry to my family house, and there's one in my bedroom as well. So this one is a 2 gig 12 gig. So these items I got for free, and I paid for this watch $2 for this watch to get everything else here. And this is a mystery item I got, which is a towel. When you wash your hair, you can cover it up and thing. Yeah, so that's that.